girls, welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you how to make the Egyptian precision. We will need for a cup of roasted sesame, a big spoon of black pepper, big spoon of ground coriander, a spoon of cumin, salt and paprika with hot pepper. If you want it spicy, you will need hot pepper. If you want it not spicy, you will not use hot pepper. Now I will grind all the spices together without the sesame to be rough. If I grind them together, it will be smooth and better to be rough. I will grind the spices only, then I will grind the sesame alone. I have a grind and I will come back. Now I finished, and as you can see that I didn't grind all the sesame because still little of the sesame are the same. This Egyptian precision can eat also with beans, boiled egg, bread with a cup of tea. You can also bring a plate with the olive oil and ingredient like the Syrian eats. I hope you tried because it's really good when you make it with the hot pepper. It will be spicy with the bread and cup of tea and also the olive oil. So I hope you tried. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel, share, and bye. See you in the next video.